Welcome to my channel. My name is Tatiana, and in this video I'll be showing you how I made this simple box drawer without using a router. Keep in mind, I'm no professional, I just do what works for me. Materials that I used to make this box drawer is 1/5 inch hardwood plywood panel, 1 by 8 by 10 standard pine board, wood glue, 2-inch screws, and a nail gun, but if you don't have a nail gun, you can use clamps to hold it down while you put in the screws. When I was buying the wood, I got Home Depot to cut down the pine boards to the length I need the sides to be, plus this way it was easier to fit in my car since I don't have a truck. Next, I used my table saw to route out a 1/4 inch hole where the bottom panel will go. I measure out the blade to come out a 1/4 inch and the stopper a 1/4 inch away from the blade. I go through and cut all the boards flat. Then I move the stopper another 1/8 inch away from the blade and go through and cut all the boards again. Then I was left with this little inner piece that was annoying to remove my hand, so I went ahead and just cut that out too. This is where we routed the little 1/4 inch, so where the panel will go, and it fits perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and cut out the inner panel. The 1-inch board is actually 3/4 inch, so I measure out the length and the width of the sides as if it was put together, then subtract 1 inch from the length and the width to get the measurements for the bottom panel. After cutting out the bottom panel, I go ahead and dry fit the box drawer before using glue on any of the parts. All the sides and the bottom panel fit perfectly, so now I go ahead and do a side at a time and start adding glue to the routed hole. And for whenever I put the sides together, I use the nail gun to keep the sides straight and hold it down before I add the screws. For this part, if you don't have a nail gun, you could use clamps for this. I just really like using the nail gun. Then I drill 3 pilot holes on each corner to prevent the wood from splitting whenever I add the screws. After I do all the pilot holes, I go ahead and put in 3 2-inch screws on each corner to hold everything together. After screwing everything together, I use glue to add to all the corners, kind of like caulk, to prevent anything from falling into those corners and to add that extra strength. I went ahead and sanded everything down and added a clear finish to it. I will be adding the drawer front to the front of that, and I'm redoing my laundry, so subscribe to see that, future videos of DIY projects. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.